Hello, my name is Gregory Wilcox. I'm a business development manager for Rockwell Automation, focusing on reference architectures. I'm here today at Panduit to talk about the overall Panduit and Rockwell Automation collaboration. Panduit, Rockwell Automation, Cisco, Fluke Networks have come together to form an ecosystem, a Ethernet IP plant-wide network infrastructure ecosystem to provide collateral to help customers successfully design and deploy a robust, future-ready, as well as secure Ethernet IP network infrastructure. The whole purpose of this is to help customers be successful in network convergence, both from a industrial network convergence, specifically with Ethernet Industrial Protocol or Ethernet IP, but also the technology convergence between industrial and enterprise networks, in addition to the cultural and organizational convergence between plant floor control system engineers as well as IT network engineers. And this collateral comes in the form of design guidance, application guides, white papers, seminars, as well as webcasts. Specifically speaking to Panduit, Panduit has their in solutions for the physical framework. What we found is that over 80% of customer reported issues with Ethernet IP, Ethernet Industrial Protocol, comes back to the physical layer. The in solutions from Panduit provides the physical framework to support this. Everything from the in room to the in route, in panel, the in field, as well as the infrastructure. I'm here to highlight the Panduit Micro Data Center, part of the overall Panduit in-room solutions. The Micro Data Center is an alignment between the Panduit physical framework with the Cisco and Rockwell Automation logical framework. The Micro Data Center shows a proper representation of physical layout for the CPWE, the Converged Plant-Wide Ethernet architecture between Cisco and Rockwell Automation, specifically the level 3 site operations in a control room. Everything from manufacturing zone components, switches, virtualized servers, the demilitarized zone, as well as the enterprise zone. The MZ again shows best practices for physical layout from the manufacturing zone switching infrastructure, the virtualization using the Cisco Unified Communication Switching infrastructure, MDC mounting of the Allen Bradley Stratix 8000 with Panduit cable management, as well as Panduit security, physical layer security blockouts, physical infrastructure monitoring, proper demilitarized zone or DMZ deployments with the Cisco firewalls, physical infrastructure best practices including network patching, cable management, as well as physical infrastructure monitoring with the Panduit PVIQ, as well as enterprise connectivity. I'm here in front of the Panduit Control Panel Solutions, part of their in-panel industrial automation solutions. The in-panel solutions align the Panduit physical framework with the Cisco and Rockwell Automation logical framework, specifically the Converged Plant-Wide Ethernet IP. Converged Plant-Wide Ethernet IP is made up of the Allen Bradley Stratix 5700 industrial Ethernet switches, the ControlLogix or Logix multidisciplinary control platform, the Kinetic 6500 servo drives, as well as items like the PowerFlex VFDs. The in-panel solution provides a wide range of solutions for both the end user as well as an equipment builder. There are network patching, there's space optimization, as well as noise mitigation. One of the biggest problems that either equipment builder or any user within control panels has to do with electrical noise, impacting their network data communications. Panduit has multiple solutions for this involving bonding, grounding, as well as shielding. Bonding, basically using bond straps, wide bond straps, basically ground different parts of the control panel to have a consistent ground plane. At the same potential, minimizing both ground loops as well as overall ground potential, it helps mitigate overall noise. But also shielding solutions or shielded ductworks to have clean, dirty, and very dirty cabling in close proximity, but again, minimize both capacitive as well as inductive noise coupling to network data communications, as well as overall in-panel noise mitigation solutions for first non-painted control panels for surface area, as well as grounding. Panduit also has a wide range of space optimization tools to help shrink control panels. This is very important for an equipment builder as they move from standalone control panels to on-machine control panels. Space optimization including tools like the shielded ductwork, where basically noise dissipates at the square of the distance as far as spacing cablings. You're now able to reduce that space, have clean, dirty, and very dirty cabling closer together, but basically mitigate that noise in an overall smaller control panel design. But also solutions like network patching solutions for the Allen Bradley Stratix 5700 industrial Ethernet switch, solutions including the DIN rail mounted copper and fiber patch boxes, as well as the security, physical layer security, blockouts, but also cabling such as the fiber cable. Connecting the Allen Bradley Stratix 5700 industrial Ethernet switch into the higher, greater infrastructure. I'm here in front of the Panduit network zone enclosure, part of the Panduit in-route industrial automation and solutions. The zone enclosure helps align the Panduit physical framework with the Cisco and Rockwell automation logical framework, specifically the converged plant-wide Ethernet architectures. The network zone enclosure is an engineered solution from Panduit, designed to support the Allen Bradley Stratix 5700, 8000, and 8300 line of industrial Ethernet switches. The zone enclosure provides multiple aspects to enable Ethernet IP to be future ready. First of all, a structured zone approach to cable deployment, specifically copper as well as fiber optics, but also to enable convergence between IT and industrial automation, specifically IT network engineers and plant floor control system engineers. The zone enclosure is IT friendly, providing a nice pre-engineered guard to keep IT personnel away from the electrical components. The zone enclosure is also made up of the copper and fiber DIN rail mount patch boxes, as well as different forms of media in both copper as well as fiber.